Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks alongside Nikhil, CEO of Tesme, behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.9 full self driving software stack. If you are liking this content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm, and I greatly appreciate it. Pretty day today, isn't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Is it always like that down here? This down here?
It's pretty much like this. Yeah. We are a little spoiled over here.
Yeah. That's kind of interesting how it signaled into that adjacent lane and then signaled right back over.
Right. I think it saw that a car was pulling out, and so that might be the reason. It's doing pretty well.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty smooth. I've noticed on these later version 11 builds that it's just, we're getting there. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when.
Exactly.
And I was even noticing on your, it's been the first time that I've been down in a larger city to see the V11 stack run like this. And it's just amazing on how far out it's able to detect cars.
Yeah, exactly. And I just got back from like a 5,000-mile road trip, and I think at the time I had 11.4.7.
Okay.
And that pretty well. Did pretty well as well. 95% of the driving was done by FSD, and I would have never like even imagined I would do such a long road trip if it was not for FSD. So it was pretty terrific.
It really makes the driving comfortable, doesn't it?
It does. It does. Well, it's very encouraging. Recently, they had a big rollout, internal employee rollout of 50,000 employees for version 12.1.
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
So that's super encouraging. I have a feeling maybe in January, like around like third week of January or something, the external rollout should start beginning. We'll see.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah. So we're basically in Fremont, Tesla country.
A lot of the workers probably live here, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think the cameras needed to be cleaned.
Is that a common thing for you?
This is the auto wiper. No, I mean I think this is. It happens when when I'm like on the coastal areas.
Interesting.
Because there's like sand and little things gets deposited on the camera module.
Yeah.
But it's been a while that I've seen
I was going to say, it's gorgeous out here.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful California day.
I guess we could probably like edit that out right
No,
now.
no. Wait.
Not yet. Okay.
Yeah,
So
you
like
gotta wait.
take this left. Okay.
Gotta wait until after we take that left.
Okay.
Yeah, you'll have time.
Okay.
And the worst case scenario, we just end up at that first destination. Not a big deal.
Oh yeah, go see your friend again.
Yeah.
He's probably ready for us waiting.
No. No. Let's not wish that bad juju.
Oh man.
Yeah.
It's always good to avoid, you know,
conflict.
yeah,
When in doubt.
yeah. You must be getting some really nice hill views and like sunset views and stuff.
Trying to stay focused on the car as much as I can as well.
Okay. Power lines.
I see him.
Okay.
Right onto
Thank you for calling him.
Yeah.
Oh, are we turning right?
Yeah. So I might have to take over. Ooh. I might have to take over here. It's thinking that these guys are stop traffic, basically. That's
Yeah,
the
it is,
problem.
isn't it?
Yeah.
It is a single lane, so you might need to work your way
Now
in
turn right onto Auto Mall Parkway.
if FSD can't.
Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna have to take over here.
Make a right.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'll re-engage it.
Sounds good.
Okay. Speeds are a little higher here. 43.
Perfect.
And then after the left, I'm gonna edit that out.
Yep, sounds good.
Still going good with the drone?
Yep, absolutely.
Perfect.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Osgood Road.
Oh man, now the hill views and stuff. Big power lines, many power lines.
I see him. I see him.
Now turn left onto Osgood Road.
That's amazing. Oh man. You're a magician, Andrew.
It's been fun. Thanks for driving. Time for a sip of water. I don't like those situations. I'm sure you don't either.
Oh no, me neither. And the reason for me is it's mostly because I get his point.
I get his point. I get our point.
Yeah.
Everybody's got a point.
Yeah.
I think it's just the risk of exposure in some ways.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, well, so right after the left, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do edit trip and then X and then done, right? Okay.
Exactly. Yeah, you can actually even probably leave it that way too.
Okay.
It won't matter.
Are you sure you don't want the full screen after we take a left here?
Oh, I know what I want you to disable. Safety, view, where's the hell's that thing at? Blind camera spot. When you turn the, you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, the left ones?
Yes. When you do the, is it in autopilot? Maybe it's in autopilot.
Yeah, automatic blind spot.
There. Okay. Sorry about that.
Yeah, it's okay.
I just noticed that. I'm like, oh, no one's going to care about that.
Okay. And then I'm going to dial the speed down. X. Done. Okay.
Drive northwest on
Did it
Osgood
reroute
Road
correctly?
for 1.3
Perfect, yeah.
miles.
Perfect.
Yeah, we're
That's
good.
perfect.
Okay.
Perfect.
And then, well, now we can do this.
No, I would recommend doing that for me.
Okay.
Sorry, because in the edit bay, it's gonna.
Okay, good.
Yeah, please. Sorry.
Yeah, no problem.
Sorry.
How much is the zoom capacity of the drone?
It's a fixed lens.
Fixed lens, okay.
Some drones have multiple lenses
Uh-huh.
that you can switch between, but most people just run in the normal standard lens
Yeah.
and then go film.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Washington Boulevard. Now turn right onto Washington Boulevard.
Are you doing good, Andrew?
Yep, absolutely.
Okay, great.
Yourself?
Yeah, great.
Having fun?
Yeah, super. Could you get my number plates as well in the final footage? My number plates?
Yeah, sure.
In the final footage, yeah.
What we might do is we might just film that with like one of the
Yeah.
I try not to show mine.
I don't care. I love it.
I can't get
Custom plates. People will go crazy in India with this footage for sure.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
pretty time to be doing this.
Yeah. Oh man, look at the sun. It's golden. Okay, so this is our point B.
This is point B, so we're gonna land over there
And then
do another drive.
Okay. Cool.
Or if you're okay with that.
Yeah, absolutely. I have time. And now that we don't have to worry about Tesla trespassing, I'm totally fine.
Yeah.
I just don't like that word, trespassing. Like, what the hell? We are not, we're just Tesla owners and lovers and investors and just Tesla fans and enthusiasts.
Just enthusiasts. Just hobbyists.
Just hobbyists. This is a really nice part of the town in Fremont, the Mission Boulevard.
Yeah, this is a neat area.
It must have taken you a lot of time to scout this routes.
It did, yeah.
Wow, look at the palm trees. Oh man, this footage is gonna be sick. Oh, battery is low.
That's me, don't worry about it. It won't do that. So there should be a parking lot once we get up there. That just find a nice place to park.
Okay.
That's kind of just a nice open spot.
Yep.
Well, as we are approaching the end of our drive, once again, I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks alongside Nikhil, the CEO of Tesme, behind the wheel, on a guest location, guest FSD drive with Tesla's 11.4.9. Remember, if you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm, and I greatly appreciate it.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Palm Avenue. Now turn left onto Palm Avenue.
FSD is doing a fantastic job, Andrew.
Yeah, I did a really great job.
Wow.
Really smooth.
Yeah.
I suppose the one disengagement to try to make that right-hand turn and get yourself into that traffic in the beginning there.
Yeah,
But
so-
that was
Yeah.
maybe the only complaint.
Yeah, exactly. And I wonder if we can like grab like a small 10 to 15 second clip out of it from the footage. I would love to share that with the FSD team, AI team, and they can take a look at that. Because that's going to be a very common scenario, Andrew.
Well, making that right-hand turn and trying
Yeah,
to yeah.
So like in any place, any state where there's like rush hour traffic and stuff, FSD might think that it's a stop traffic, but it's really, not. So, oh man, so beautiful. Look at the palm trees. Nice neighborhood, nice houses, nice FSD drive.
Nice and smooth.
And the best thing, Andrew, is in the residential neighborhoods, it will know to limit the speed.
Absolutely.
So it already set the max speed for me. I cannot go over it. Imagine how safe the neighborhoods would become with FSD.
Well, notice how it's slowing down for those speed humps there
Yeah,
as
it
well.
did, exactly.
All right, this is our parking lot here up on the left.
Yeah.
Thanks everybody for tuning in.
Now turn left.
Okay, I'll let the FSD take us in. Here we go.
A little herky-jerky on the turn there, but not too bad.
Yeah, not too bad. And now I'm gonna
In
take over.
500 feet, your destination will be
Sweet.
on the
I
right.
would just park up front up here.
There was no. It's like
Oh, no worries.
there's a center divider.